Object recognition is a significant fundamental in test automation. ZAPTEST has implemented unique object recognition technology for graphical user interface testing. This technology is called ZAP Object Engine, or ZOE. It has the capability to visually comprehend any application's user interface. It is based on four main principles: optical character recognition, OCR, image recognition, edge detection, and relative positioning, or anchoring. ZAPTEST performs a basic object mapping automatically during a GUI scan. As a result, it produces a GUI map of the AUT and adds objects to the object repository. The GUI scan procedure utilizes OCR recognition to map standalone text objects, image recognition to map images, edge detection and auto-anchoring to map non-textual objects. ZAPTEST users must review all auto-scanned CRUD objects and make updates as necessary. These updates may include increasing precision level for text or image objects to ensure ZAPTEST is able to accurately locate them. Selecting the proper anchor or parent for relative objects. The parent object must maintain consistent relative position in respect to its children. Selecting appropriate scalability for a relative object. ZAPTEST uses the scalability to recalculate the position and size of a relative object when the size of its parent object or application changes. The parent size scalability automatically adjusts the runtime position on a display with different resolution or DPI. Using OCR, partial recognition type, to define part of a text as an object. Or to define text objects located in close proximity to other UI elements. Adding an area object in order to limit the area of the UI where ZAPTEST searches for objects. Picking text color and calibrating color tolerance and gamma to improve recognition of a colored text or a text with colored background. For more information, please visit our website at www.zaptest.com.